What is the intracellular phase of energy production responsible for? A. Breaking down proteins. B. Digesting food in the gut. C. Producing energy from absorbed nutrients. D. Synthesizing new cells. Which molecule is produced by glucose in the mitochondria to generate ATP? A. Fatty acids. B. Ketones. C. Acetyl-CoA. D. Amino acids. What nutrient is converted into fatty acids for energy production? A. Proteins. B. Carbohydrates. C. Vitamins. D. Fats. During nutrient utilization, which macronutrient is broken down into amino acids? A. Fats. B. Carbohydrates. C. Proteins. D. Glucose. What role do amino acids play in energy production? A. They are converted into fatty acids. B. They are converted into acetyl-CoA. C. They are stored in the liver. D. They produce glucose. Which organ primarily relies on glucose for energy but can use ketone bodies during starvation? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Heart. D. Muscle. What type of fatty acid does not require carnitine or CPT to enter the mitochondria? A. Long-chain fatty acids. B. Short-chain fatty acids. C. Medium-chain fatty acids. Which of the following is produced by the gut microbiome? A. Glucose. B. Ketones. C. Short-chain fatty acids. D. Long-chain fatty acids. What condition can arise from the inability to utilize long-chain fatty acids? A. Carnitine deficiency. B. Ketosis. C. Proteinuria. D. Hyperglycemia. What metabolic condition occurs during prolonged fasting or starvation? A. Gluconeogenesis. B. Ketosis. C. Protein synthesis. D. Lipid accumulation. Excess ketone production during prolonged fasting can result in A. Hypoglycemia. B. Ketoacidosis. C. Glucagon release. D. Muscle hypertrophy. In which dietary condition is ketosis most likely to occur? A. High carbohydrate diets. B. Low fat diets. C. High fat diets. D. High protein diets. Which of the following is a possible symptom of carnitine deficiency? A. Increased appetite. B. Muscle weakness. C. Excessive energy. D. High glucose levels. Carnitine deficiency leads to which of the following conditions? A. Enhanced protein synthesis. B. Inability to metabolize long-chain fatty acids. C. Increased ATP production. D. Increased glucose storage. What is a characteristic symptom of peroxisomal disorders like Zellweger syndrome? A. Liver dysfunction. B. Muscle gain. C. Increased insulin sensitivity. D. Increased glucose storage. Zellweger syndrome is an example of which disorder category? A. Lysosomal disorder. B. Mitochondrial disorder. C. Peroxisomal disorder. D. Endoplasmic disorder. What type of fatty acids accumulate in X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy? A. Medium-chain fatty acids. B. Very long-chain fatty acids. C. Short-chain fatty acids. D. Polyunsaturated fatty acids. Which disorder leads to neurological deterioration due to the accumulation of very long-chain fatty acids? A. Tay-Sachs disease. B. X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy. C. Gaucher's disease. D. Refsum disease. What is the primary function of lysosomes in the cell? A. Synthesizing proteins. B. Degrading unwanted material. C. Storing energy. D. Producing ATP. Gaucher's disease is a result of a deficiency in which enzyme type? A. Glycolytic enzyme. B. Lysosomal enzyme. C. Proteasomal enzyme. D. Mitochondrial enzyme. Answer: B. Lysosomal N. In Tay-Sachs disease, what accumulates in the body due to a lack of lysosomal enzymes? A. Proteins. B. Carbohydrates. C. Lipids. D. Glucose. Which organelle is responsible for degrading misfolded proteins in the cell? A. Mitochondria. B. Lysosomes. C. Proteasomes. D. Golgi apparatus. In which condition are misfolded proteins degraded before they can properly function? A. Gaucher's disease. B. Cystic fibrosis. C. Tay-Sachs disease. Which of the following is not a lysosomal storage disorder? A. Gaucher's disease. B. Tay-Sachs disease. C. Zellweger syndrome. D. Niemann-Pick disease. What is the primary function of proteasomes in cancer treatment? A. Degrading misfolded proteins. B. Synthesizing ATP. C. Enhancing fatty acid metabolism. D. Repairing DNA. Which drug inhibits proteasome function in multiple myeloma treatment? A. Aspirin. B. Velcade. C. Insulin. D. Dexamethasone. Excessive ketone body production during fasting can lead to A. Hyperglycemia. B. Increased energy. C. Ketoacidosis. D. Dehydration. Ketones provide energy during periods of A. High fat intake. B. Excessive protein intake. C. Fasting or low carbohydrate intake. D. Increased glucose levels. Which dietary component can help manage epilepsy by producing ketones? A. Medium-chain fatty acids. B. Long-chain fatty acids. C. Carbohydrates. D. Glucose. What is a major risk of anorexia nervosa in relation to nutrient depletion? A. Excessive fat gain. B. Increased protein synthesis. C. Severe muscle wasting. D. Increased glucose stores.